Welcome to Cenmax Support Tutorials. This is Aditya from Cenmax Support, and in this tutorial,
I am going to show you how you can install WordPress on your DirectAdmin using Softaculous. If your server doesn't have Softaculous installed, you need not worry. We have posted a separate video on how you can install WordPress without Softaculous on DirectAdmin.
Step 1.
Log into your DirectAdmin control panel. As you know already, you can log in two ways. Use your preferred way.
Step 2.
As soon as you have logged in, and as soon as you see a list of icons, scroll to the bottom of the page. Step 3. You'll be able to see WordPress under the Softaculous section. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the Softaculous interface. On the Softaculous interface, click on the blue-colored Install Now button.
Step 4.
Change the protocol if necessary.
We noted that,
unless you have a valid SSL, it will show a warning when you try to install on HTTPS protocol. If you don't have SSL, you can proceed further with the HTTP protocol. You'll be able to change the SSL protocol at any time within your WordPress dashboard. If you don't know how to install your free SSL on DirectAdmin yet, we already have a video showing how you can. Check the description for the link. Make sure the directory chosen is right. In default, Softaculous will install WordPress on the WP folder. So if you want to install WordPress on your main domain, and not under any subdirectory, make sure you erase it. Now scroll down, alter the login credentials, use the password generator to create strong passwords, if you prefer. Scroll further down and hit the install button. As soon as the installation process is done, you'll be able to see a success message. Now WordPress has been installed successfully. Before visiting your site, make sure you have deleted the default files and pages DirectAdmin has created when your hosting account was activated.
This will help you avoid any issues related to caching.
Once all done, log into your WordPress and create your dream site.
Just in case, if you face any issues in the process, you can always contact our support team. Our support team is available around the clock to help you with any issues you might have. Not hosting with Cenmax yet? Cenmax is one of the most rapidly growing website hosting providers in the industry. Our packages start as low as $8 per year. With many intuitive features and best support around the clock, you can never go wrong by choosing us.
Have a good day. Thanks for choosing Cenmax as your website host. We'll catch you up in a new video. Happy hosting.